Welcome to the Faculty360 tutorial on managing matched activities. Interfolio Data Service does periodic data sweeps to capture information about journal articles, books, book chapters, and conference proceedings published by Cal State Fullerton faculty members. You can review your data matches and approve activities to add them to your portfolio, or delete them if you do not want the activity listed. To view your matched activities, click the Activities Need Review link on the Faculty360 homepage. Click an activity title to view more details. If you would like to add that activity to your portfolio, make any necessary changes to the publication information. Please note that you will not be able to modify author data until after the activity has been accepted. When all the information is correct, click Accept Activity. The activity will then move to the Accepted tab. You can click on the publication title, then click Edit Activity to enter any additional corrections. The accepted activity will also appear in your research, scholarship, and creative activities. On this page, you can click the pencil icon if you need to make updates. After reviewing a matched activity, if you decide that you do not want to add that publication to your portfolio, you can click Delete to remove it from your activities that need review. You can also delete activities from the Needs Review tab by placing a check next to the items that you want to delete, then clicking the trash can icon. The activities will move to the Deleted tab. If you change your mind about a deleted activity, you can restore it. Click an activity under the Deleted tab and click Restore Activity. You can also select multiple deleted activities and click the clock icon to restore them. The items will be put back into the Need Review tab, where you can choose to edit and accept them or delete them again. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. To learn more about Faculty360, view the additional user guides and videos linked in the description.